Hello friends. One of the aims of my channel is to share quick, easy and tasty recipes with newbie and busy cooks. Recipes with little fuss but pleasing to the palate. Today's cabbage and egg fried rice definitely qualifies. So come, let's fry us some rice. The ingredients are listed in the description box below.
I have 4 cups of a day-old cooked basmati rice that I lubricated with 3/4 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you want to know why I am using basmati rice, please check out my kampung fried rice video. I will leave the link in the description box below. I have here half a medium onion chopped, 8 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 fresh red chilli sliced diagonally, 2 spring onion stems chopped, and 10 grams of ginger chopped. Here comes our next main ingredient, 200 grams of refreshing Chinese cabbage chopped. 2 eggs beaten with a little water, salt and white pepper. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. We'll also need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and salt to taste. We'll start with 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok or pan, adding the chopped garlic. The chopped ginger goes in next. The stems of the spring onion go in next into the sizzling oil. Then the onions and the red chilli. Let's now saute these flavorful ingredients until they release their flavors into the oil. Now that these ingredients have been suitably sauteed, let's increase the flame to a comfortable high and add the rice in batches. When I say a comfortable high, I am talking in terms of wok hay that is uppermost in most people's minds when they fry rice. I am however cooking in a rather sensitive non-stick frying pan that will probably get ruined by all the high heat. I can't impose Oriental standards on an Occidental frying pan. So I have to temper my need for authenticity with the sensitivities of my frying pan and sacrifice authenticity at the altar of practicality. I am therefore frying this rice at a heat that my pan is comfortable with. However, if you have a workhorse like a well-seasoned iron or carbon steel wok, then you can increase the flame until your wok is smoking hot. With that, your wok hay is definitely assured. Now that all the rice has gone in, fry it for 2 minutes. It's gone 2 minutes, so I'm adding the soy sauce now and frying this rice for 3 minutes on a comfortably high flame. It's now time to add the eggs in, so move the rice to one side, allowing some space to fry the egg. Egg is going in now. I'm not a fan of scrambled egg in fried rice, so I like to half cook my egg and then fold it into the rice while it is still runny. Just like I'm doing now. Done this way, the rice has the appearance of being peppered with flecks of egg. Add salt if needed now. Last to go in is the refreshing cabbage in its varying shades of jade. Beautiful and delicate, you can't subject the cabbage to heat for too long. So, you add it last and simply stir it through. This is a simple and basic fried rice made to fill a hungry tummy during a rushed work and school week. Fried rice in some form is probably a dish that most Malaysians have grown up with, and so not only is it a tasty and satisfying dish, it is also a nostalgic one. Cabbage and egg fried rice, or egg and cabbage fried rice. Whatever name you call it, it's super tasty. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, Selamat berpuasa, stay safe, and bye.